to see what holiday cookies you come up with this year, Phyllis.
Oh, every year my work does a Christmas cookie exchange. It started out as a friendly exchange, but now it's a full-on contest. Last year was a bad year for me and my googly-eyed reindeer cookies. Non-edible googly eyes. That was my mistake, but not this year. All right.
I hope those weren't compostable, Phyllis. You know the rules.
Well, they certainly were combustible, just like those shoes.
What was that?
Oh, no, nothing. I was just talking under my breath. Brittany, I know you must be very busy with HOA stuff.
Swamped. Mrs. Morkel wants to hang those outdoor icicle lights.
You can't teach taste.
Tell me about it.
Say, I was wondering if you'd like to help me bake some Christmas cookies. I am a bag of nerves. This competition is really getting to me.
Competition?
Yeah,
Cookies?
yeah.
Count me in.
You know, I knew Brittany couldn't pass up a competition. She's the best baker in the neighborhood. I almost lost my husband to a batch of her triple fudge brownies.
All right, let's get started on these cookies.
Yeah, that's great. Let's see.
Wait, what are you doing? You can't eat the raw dough. It'll make you sick.
I've been eating this for years.
Alrighty, time to decorate.
Yeah.
So, where are your sprinkles?
My husband and I use them all.
And what?
Oh, I can get more. Give me a minute.
Okay.
Hi, Trevor. I need you to make a work-related Joanne's run for me.
Phyllis, Joanne again? How is this work-related?
Trevor, how is anything not work-related these days?
Okay, sorry. What do you need?
Eyeballs, lots of eyeballs, edible eyeballs, and holiday sprinkles, pink ones, yes. I got the sprinkles.
Oh, wow, that was fast.
Yeah, that was Trevor.
What?
Oh, well, let's start decorating.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Okay. Yours are normal size.
Yeah, and yours look, good. I wouldn't eat them, but they'd make good earrings.
Well, I can't thank you enough for your help, Brittany. I'm a shoo-in to win for sure.
Oh, no problem, as long as we can split the prize.
Yeah. I'm not sure how we're gonna split dinner with my boss. So, how are we exchanging cookies with each other?
Oh, no, Phyllis. It's a virtual cookie exchange
Yes,
this year.
but how do I get them to you all?
Virtual means we're just sharing our favorite cookie recipes, and we can make them on our own if we want.
They're so cute, though. Well, all mine.